Welcome, today I am with Anker SoundCore Boost speaker and I want to show you how you can charge this device. So all you have to do, take a look right here on this SoundCore part, this flexible. You have to grab it like that and pull towards you, just like that. Next you will remove this cover, and as you can see right now we got here the micro USB port, USB-A port and aux port. So you have to grab your cable and input right here. Of course, the second part of the cable you have to plug to the charger and then put it to the electricity. Once you make it, these lights will be up like that. So currently we are on like 50% of the battery, and when it will be at the 4 lights like that, it means that the device is fully charged. So yeah, as you can see, that's how easy you can charge the speaker. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.